Bioresonance is a proven biophysical method from the field of complementary medicine. Research into cell biology has recognized that cells communicate not only via chemical messengers, but also via electromagnetic frequencies. How does this electromagnetic cell communication work? Our cells send and receive electromagnetic frequencies. This means that cells communicate with one another. As a result, cell networks in every healthy organ have their own frequency patterns. As long as the body's cells are able to communicate with each other unhindered, the body's self-regulation remains intact. If the body is weak or overloaded, for example through allergens or pathogens, then cell communication is disrupted. The frequency patterns are now different in comparison to when healthy cells are communicating. In the long term, the body may respond to this disturbed cell communication with symptoms of illness. The body can no longer regulate itself, and the optimal cell communication needs to be restored. This is exactly where the Bicom Bioresonance method intervenes. How does the Bicom Bioresonance method function? The Bicom Bioresonance method with the Bicom Optima combines diagnosis and therapy in one device. Step 1 is to test, quickly and painlessly, which energetic state the body is in. This distinguishes healthy and disturbed frequency patterns from one another. Stressful substances, for example allergens and pathogens, are identified and the individual weaknesses are found. Once the disturbed frequency patterns are detected, modified frequency patterns are returned to the patient as individual therapy. In this step, frequency patterns are commonly inverted. Communication within the cell network can return to normal, and stressful substances are eliminated from the body. Now communication within the cell network is in sync once again. And the good thing about it, with intact cell communication, the self-healing powers of the body can spring into action once again.